Hey guys, I have a ooh, Yep. You thought I would die. Should I say well read? Do you really just said something out of a puzzle? Shut up! Or should I say well read? I gotta run in from my dude. I gotta run from my dude. No, wait. Just run away. Wait, I have a trick. Yay, I'm on safe land. Wait, no, what is happening? No! Actually, that means I'm an object according to YouTube. YouTube means that evidence was like this. Point is also an object. Point is a spirit. And me, a bird, is also an animal. So yeah, that's the world I can know. Goodbye. What's the yapping you did all about? My poopy. Oh, my poopy. Oh. Hey guys. So I don't really know what to put here. So I put myself. I'm a clone of pineapple. Yes, I do. I know. Again. Hey there, I'm a Kiwi that speaks in foreign language. Well, man, I am back. I'm a cookie. As you can see here, there's no way for like this, right? Well, I eat soap. Well, people use the other plant to eat soap, so I'm gonna leave it in it. Get it down. Okay, I asked for the reverse of the banana, and screw this recording program.